All right, guys, so I'm going to explain 11A, that is English File for Intermediate Grammar Bank. Okay, I'm going to explain grammar here, page 146, and we're going to cover 147 as well, because that is for the exercises. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain 11A first, and then I'm going to do the exercise, and then 11B, and then exercise, and then 11C, and then exercise of that as well. And then after that, we're going to finish the video, guys. Yeah. So let's get started. I'm going to start with 11A. Again, that's a pre-intermediate level. So that's really helpful for pre-intermediate level students to understand grammar better. Very important topic, 11A. As you can see here, used to and then used to. Then used to, this is the negative form of it, yes? Used to. How we use used to? We use used to, and after that, we must use infinitive. That's very important to note. So infinitive. Infinitive. And what is infinitive? Infinitive is the first form of a verb like go, eat, play, watch, and so on. Going or went or goes, they are not infinitive, guys. Yeah. So after used to, we use infinitive. Negative didn't used to, we use infinitive. Why we use it or when we use it? So we use used to talk about past habits, which you don't do it now. In the past, in the long past, we used to do it. When we talk about the routine or habits that we did in the past and now it has changed and we don't do it anymore. When we talk about that, we use used to plus infinitive. Um, here you go, the example. When I was a child, I used to play in the streets. You see, now this guy is not a child anymore, and he doesn't play in the streets anymore. He's grown up now, right? So here, I am, or the guy who is speaking is remembering his childhood or her childhood. So I used to play in the streets. So this was a routine for him, or this was a habit for him or her. My brother used to have. See, guys, each time I'm using infinitive. It's very important. My brother used to have very long hair when he was a student. That means now he doesn't have that long hair. When he was a student, he used to have long hair. Negative, didn't used to. Nick didn't used to go out much, but now, you see, he goes out every night. You see, totally different. Now, the current habit or present habit is totally different from the past habit. So past habit, he didn't used to go out much, but now he goes out every night. I didn't used to like vegetables. We can also say here I didn't used to make it easier to speaking. I didn't used to like. You don't say didn't, right? I didn't used to like vegetables, but now I love them. As you can see in the picture, when she was a girl, she used to eat vegetables, but now as she has grown up, she's very happy to eat vegetables. Now, if I want to make question, I use did before the adjective. Look, did you? Did you use? And obviously, because we're talking about the past situation, so it needs to follow the rules of past. As you can see here, when I say did, I need to use the infinitive form, not D. Example here, we're using a D here, yeah? Used. As soon as I apply didn't or did, this D has to fall, has to be removed. And it's the same rule in past simple anyway. So did you used to wear uniform at school? Yes, I did. Did you used to like your teachers? No, I didn't. So because we're giving with the question with did, the answer also will be with did. Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Right? Be careful here with negatives and questions. I didn't used to like math. Yeah, they're talking about the same thing I've just told you. That like we should not add D when I say didn't. Or the same rule apply for did. Look, did. There's no D here. Did. So D is being removed, guys. We should be careful about that. Now, So used to we use to talk about past habits, and if I want to talk about present or current habit, I use usually. For habits in present, we use usually. I usually do that. I usually do this, and so on. I usually cook in the evenings. Okay, so I think it's clear. We're gonna do the exercise part. As you can see, we've got two parts here. A is asking us to look at how Alex has changed it. See, Alex when he was young, then, and then Alex now. See, there's a big difference. Now we need to write 6 sentences about how he was before with, we must use he used to or negative he didn't used to. Yeah, so let's do that. He used to be slim, as you can see. Now he's a bit chubby, but he used to be slim, right? Now long hair, as you can see, and when he was young, he used to have long hair. So he used to have long hair. He used to have long hair. Okay, that's it. He used to have long hair. Glasses. So you see, now he's wearing glasses. But when he was young, he didn't used to wear. He didn't used to wear glasses. Okay, glasses is already written, so just gonna do like that. As you can see, after didn't use, I'm not using D here. I'm removing the D. Yes. Um, so number 3, a beard. Now he's got beard. So when he was young, he didn't have the beard. So he didn't used to have a beard. He didn't used to have a beard. Okay, football. So obviously, as you can see, the picture, he's catching the ball or he's holding the ball. So he used to play football. He used to play football. Okay, football is already written, so let's not remove it. Let's remove it here. Okay, he used to play football. In pronunciation, you don't need to say D very clearly, like he used to play. This is wrong, guys. He used to play is wrong. So we just say he used to play. He used to play football. That's it. 5, a tie, as you can see. Now he wears tie. So at that time, he didn't used to wear tie. So we're going to write it down. He didn't used to wear a tie. Great. Now we can move to B. Make sentence with used to, didn't used to, or did used to. Basically positive, negative, and question form, guys. So the first one, I mean the example one, as you can see, is the question. So you have long hair. It will be did you used to have long hair? Number 1 is a positive sentence. So Angie hates math, but she loves it now. So I'm going to write down here. So Angie used to hate math, but now, but she loves it now. Angie used to hate, not much, sorry guys, math, yes, obviously, math, but she loves it now. Okay, yeah. So number 2, question. So you work when you lived in Cairo. So did you used to work? Number 2, did you used to work when you lived in Cairo? Yes. Number 3, negative. I liked reading when I was a child. So I didn't used to. 3. I didn't. I didn't used to like reading when I was a child. That's it. Number 4, question. What you do in the summer? So what did you used to do in the summer holidays when you were young? Let's write it down. What did you used to do in the summer holidays when you were young. Okay. Number 5, negative. The British cook with olive oil. So didn't used to cook with olive oil, but now it's very popular. So the British didn't used to cook with olive oil, but now it's very popular. That's it. Number 5 is done. Number 6, this restaurant be a cinema in the 1960s. So this restaurant used to be a cinema. 6. This restaurant used to be a cinema in the 1960s. 7. Question. Did your sister used to eat meat, or has she always been a vegetarian? Okay, so we're going to write part of it, the main part. So did your sister used to eat? Did your sister used to eat meat, or has she always? The rest will be the same. Okay. Did your sister used to eat meat? Obviously, this is comma. All right. 8. Negative. I be interested in athletics. So I didn't used to be interested in. 8. I didn't used to be interested in athletics. And then the rest will be same, guys. Athletics. Number 9. You have a motorbike when you're a student. So did you used to have a motorbike? Write it down. 9. Did you used to have a motorbike when? The rest will be same, guys. I don't need to write it down. Did you used to have a motorbike when you were a student? And the last one is 10. Telegrams was a positive sentence, so used to be the quickest way. 10. I'm going to write it here. Telegrams used to be the quickest way. The rest is same, guys. Yeah, I don't need to continue. I think save time. That's it. So 11A is done. How to use used to and the exercises. Now we're moving to. We're going to move. Now we're going to move. Now we're going to move to 11B to work on it. Let's do it.